Just like with our sensor wiring, I'm going to add labels onto each one of the H.E. Anderson pump wires. For future serviceability, it'll make it a lot easier to figure out which wire is which. So I'll put a number 1 on this wire, and then I'm going to terminate this wire in a couple different spots on this controller. The jacket off of this. So in here, we've got 2 black wires and a yellow with a green stripe. This is our ground wire, and that's going to go onto the ground bus over here. One of these black wires will go to that gray terminal block that I was mentioning, and the other black wire will go to the front of the Connect. It doesn't matter which one you put where, because this is an AC powered device and there's no polarity. Polarity doesn't matter. So we're just going to keep stripping off sections of this jacket so that we can run the wires to the different places. And we're going to terminate that wire right here. Done with that. Great. This one is going to run up and over. We're going to insert this ground wire into one of the screw terminals here. That's secure now. I'm going to pass this wire through each one of them and out to the front. So each one of the H.E. Anderson pumpers is going to use one of these switches here. So we're going to use switches 1 through 7. I'm going to insert this on the out terminal. Okay, that's secure here. That takes care of wiring the first H.E. Anderson pumper. We're going to redo that 6 more times for the remaining 6 wires that we have here, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next steps. Okay, here's the second pumper connected. And you're going to follow the same sequence all the way through switch number 7, where you're going to terminate 1 wire on the out terminal on each switch. One thing to note on your ground wires, if you don't have enough terminals on this bus bar here, you can twist a few of them together like so, and insert them into a single terminal on the bar here. Okay, we've finished connecting all of our H.E. Anderson pumpers. We went in numerical order. Every single one of them is terminated on the out terminal. Then inside, we have all 7 ground wires on this bus terminal over here. And then finally, at the bottom, we have our 7 neutral wires on this gray terminal block here.